Okay. Okay, Judaya. Makinig na. Ito yung mga katanungan mo sa binasa natin na kwento araw sa palengke. Okay. Ang unang tanong, anong bahagi ng pagpunta sa palengke ang pinakagusto mo at bakit?
My favorite part was what he got the toy. When you got like the food thing.
Why do you like? Bakit mo gusto yun? Bakit mo nagustuhan?
Because I just like her being happy.
Okay. Okay, ito yung second na katanungan. Kung ikaw ang bata sa kwento, ano ang gusto mong bilhin sa palengke?
Paklang.
Ha?
Pakwang.
Pakwan.
Pakwang.
Ano ba yung pakwan?
Watermelon po.
Ayun, gusto mo ng pakwan. Bakit paborito mo yung pakwan?
Because I ate it when I was 6.
Sige.
I was just a 6-year old.
Sige. Ito na yung pangatlo ha. Ano ang nararamdaman mo kapag hindi mo nakukuha ang lahat ng gusto mo?
I just have to wait for it and then maybe I'll get it next time.
Nalulungkot ka ba o masaya ka ba? Anong nararamdaman mo?
I'll be like a bit sad lang.
Malungkot ng konti.
And after a few minutes, I'll be happy.
Okay, galing. Sige, anong aral ang natutunan mo mula sa karanasan ng bata kasama ang kanyang ina?
What did I learn from the bata? You have to wait for the things you want.
Okay.
And then maybe next time or later, your mom will bless you with the thing you wanted.
Okay.
Or dad or something.
Okay. O sige, ito na ha. Last question natin. Bakit mahalaga ang pagiging matyaga at magpasalamat?
You know, why it's hard to get salam?
Why is it important to be patient and grateful?
Because you might get it next time.
Okay,
You
what
might
else?
get the thing next time, and then it's just gonna make you happy.
Why is it bakit importante maging matyaga, being patient? Why is that important?
For you to, because it's good to be patient. You might get it next time, and you'll maybe get it after your maybe in your birthday or something, or maybe in the same day you wanted it.
Sige, ano pa yung natutunan mo sa kwento? Ano pa yung paborito mong natutunan mo sa kwento na binasa natin?
When she woke up early.
Gusto mo yun, yung maaga sila nagising.
Yeah.
Maaga ka ba nagigising?
Like sometimes lang.
Okay, salamat, Jedaya.
Bye.